All right, folks, let's dive in. It's time for the ultimate showdown. AI versus Google. What's the difference between artificial intelligence and traditional search engines? Buckle up, because we're about to break it down. First off, let's talk about how they handle your queries. Traditional search engines like Google, they rely on keyword matching. You type in your question, and they scan their massive index of web pages to find relevant content. It's efficient, but it's kinda like fishing in a big pond. Now, AI systems like ChatGPT, they're on a whole different level. They don't just fish, they dive deep. They interpret your query contextually, simulating understanding, and generate responses that are much more conversational. It's like having a chat with a knowledgeable buddy. Next up, result presentation. Traditional search engines, they give you a list of links. You click, you read, you hope you find what you're looking for. It's a bit of a treasure hunt. AI, on the other hand, delivers direct answers. No need to navigate through pages. You ask a question, and boom, you get an insight or a solution right there. It's like having the answer sheet in front of you. Now, let's move on to learning and adaptation. Traditional search engines optimize their results through algorithms and user interaction data. They get better over time, but it's a slow process. AI, it's like a sponge. It learns dynamically, adapting to user inputs in real time. The more you interact, the smarter it gets. Imagine having a personal assistant that's constantly improving with every conversation. What about contextual understanding? Traditional search engines can struggle with complex or ambiguous queries. They focus on matching keywords, which can sometimes miss the mark. AI excels here. It uses machine learning to understand the nuances of language. It can handle complex or unclear queries and still generate human-like responses. It's like talking to someone who just gets you. Finally, task assistance. Traditional search engines are all about information retrieval. You want to know something, they'll point you to where you can find it. AI, though, it goes beyond just search. It can help with content generation, problem solving, or even just having a conversation. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your digital needs. So in summary, traditional search engines focus on finding and directing you to information. AI tools aim to understand, generate, and provide more conversational and task-oriented responses. All right, tech enthusiasts, that's a wrap on AI versus Google. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.